Have you ever pondered the influence one man could have on the realms of mathematics and philosophy? Today, we unravel the enigma of René Descartes, a French philosopher whose work left an indelible mark on these two disciplines. Born in March of 1596 in the small town of La Haye, now known as Descartes, in the Touraine region of France, René Descartes was a child of fragile health, pale and with a persistent cough, believed to be a symptom of tuberculosis. Despite these health challenges, young René was destined to etch his name in the annals of intellectual history. The loss of his mother, Jeanne Brochard, a year after his birth, resulted in young Descartes being sent to live with his grandmother, Jeanne Saint-Brochard. He was named after his godfather, René Brochard. A military man of some repute, his father, Joachim Descartes, remarried in 1600 and had two more children, but René continued to live with his grandmother in La Haye. Descartes' childhood was not spent in the typical familial setting. Instead, he was raised in his grandmother's home, away from his father, stepmother, and half-siblings. Yet these personal challenges did not deter Descartes. His health problems did not impede his intellectual curiosity or his pursuit of knowledge. Instead, they ignited in him a flame of inquiry that would illuminate the path to his future achievements. Descartes' work would later revolutionize the field of mathematics, with his application of algebra to geometry, leading to the birth of Cartesian geometry. Simultaneously, his philosophical explorations would raise profound questions about knowledge, existence, and the nature of reality, fundamentally influencing the course of Western philosophy. The Enigma of Descartes is a testament to the indomitable spirit of human intellect. It's a story of overcoming personal adversity and illuminating the world with groundbreaking ideas. Descartes' early years, though fraught with personal challenges, did not deter his pursuit of knowledge. Descartes' intellectual journey began in the Jesuit college of La Flèche in Anjou. At the tender age of 11, Descartes found himself immersed in a world of knowledge, surrounded by the classics, logic, and traditional Aristotelian philosophy. The college, a relatively new establishment, opened its doors to eager minds, including Descartes, in the year 1604. Descartes' education was not confined to philosophy alone. He also dived into the realm of mathematics, learning from the books of Clavius. His studies spanned across all the branches of mathematics: arithmetic, geometry, astronomy, and even music. It was a holistic approach to learning that would serve him well in his later years. However, it was during these formative years that Descartes struggled with his health. He was a pale, frail child with a persistent cough, likely a manifestation of tuberculosis. This condition, probably inherited from his mother, cast a shadow over his school years. But Descartes was not to be deterred. Despite his frailty, he continued to pursue knowledge with a tenacity that was nothing short of remarkable. The school, understanding his predicament, granted him special permission. Unlike his peers, who were expected to rise at the crack of dawn, Descartes was allowed to remain in bed until 11 in the morning. This concession, born out of necessity, became a habit that Descartes maintained until the very end of his life. As Descartes delved deeper into his academic journey, he ventured into natural philosophy, metaphysics, and ethics. Yet it was school that made him realize how little he knew. The vast expanse of knowledge, the never-ending quest for answers, left Descartes with a profound sense of his own ignorance. But amidst this sea of uncertainty, there was one subject that stood out for Descartes: mathematics. For him, mathematics was the only satisfactory subject, the only realm where he felt a sense of understanding and control. School left Descartes with a profound realization of his own ignorance, except in the field of mathematics, a realization that would shape his future works. The world of mathematics was forever changed with Descartes' groundbreaking work, La Géométrie. In the 17th century, René Descartes, a French philosopher and mathematician, embarked on a quest to apply algebra to geometry. This quest was fueled by his belief that mathematics was the only subject that seemed satisfactory to him. He had a vision to introduce a new approach to mathematics that would revolutionize the field. His work, La Géométrie, was a testament to his innovative thinking. It was in this work that Cartesian geometry was born. Descartes ingeniously merged algebra and geometry, two seemingly distinct branches of mathematics, to create a tool that could plot geometric shapes using algebraic equations. He introduced the concept of coordinates, which allowed mathematicians to represent geometric points in a plane using pairs of numbers. This was a game changer. It made geometric problems easier to solve and visualize, and it also opened up a wealth of new problems to explore. But that wasn't all. Descartes also brought forth the idea of using letters to represent numbers in equations. This method of using letters for unknown quantities, now commonly known as variables, made algebraic equations more general and abstract. It was a significant step towards the development of modern algebra. Descartes' work didn't just stop at merging algebra and geometry. He also extended these ideas to three dimensions, laying the groundwork for three-dimensional geometry. His coordinate system, now famously known as the Cartesian coordinate system, is still widely used in mathematics, physics, and engineering. The birth of Cartesian geometry marked a turning point in the history of mathematics. It paved the way for the development of calculus and had a profound impact on the scientific revolution. Descartes' innovative thinking didn't just revolutionize mathematics, it also transformed the way we understand the world around us. His work has influenced numerous fields, from physics to computer science, from philosophy to art. Descartes' innovative thinking gave mathematics a new dimension, literally. Beyond mathematics, Descartes profoundly influenced the world of philosophy. His philosophical works, teeming with revolutionary ideas, left an indelible mark on the way we perceive reality. The Frenchman was not just a mathematician, he was an ardent seeker of truth, a philosopher who dared to question the traditional thought of his time. One of Descartes' most significant contributions to philosophy is his theory of dualism. In his book Meditations on First Philosophy, he proposed that the mind and the body are two distinct entities. This theory, known as Cartesian dualism, challenged the prevailing belief in the unity of mind and body. Descartes argued that the mind, unlike the body, is non-physical and cannot be perceived by our senses. It's a concept that has sparked countless debates and continues to be a topic of discussion among philosophers and scientists. Then there's Descartes' most famous statement, cogito ergo sum, or I think therefore I am. This proposition emerged from his methodical approach to philosophy, where he decided to question everything he knew to be true. He sought to strip away all preconceived notions and beliefs, starting from a point of complete doubt. But in the process of doubting, he realized that there was one thing he couldn't doubt: his existence. Because even to doubt, one needs to exist, hence the statement, I think, therefore I am. This was a radical idea, one that laid the groundwork for modern Western philosophy. Descartes' philosophies didn't just challenge the traditional thought of his time, they reshaped it. His ideas on dualism and existence have influenced countless philosophers and thinkers who came after him, from Kant to Nietzsche. They have permeated various fields, from psychology to artificial intelligence, proving their relevance even in the contemporary world. Descartes' philosophies continued to provoke thought and debate centuries after his death. His quest for truth, his relentless questioning, and his bold ideas have left an enduring legacy, shaping the course of philosophical thought and forever changing the way we perceive our existence. Descartes' life was a testament to the power of inquiry and the pursuit of knowledge. A French philosopher and mathematician, René Descartes' innovative thinking left an indelible mark on the world. His intellectual journey began in the Jesuit College of La Flèche, where he developed a profound appreciation for mathematics, a discipline that, in his eyes, held the only satisfactory knowledge. This understanding would form the foundation of his unique approach to philosophy and science. Descartes' major work, La Géométrie, is a remarkable testament to his brilliant mind. It was here that he applied algebra to geometry, giving birth to what we now know as Cartesian geometry. This revolutionary application of mathematics was a milestone in the history of science, fundamentally changing the way we approach and understand spatial relationships. But Descartes' influence extends far beyond the realm of mathematics. He is widely recognized as a central figure in the scientific revolution, with his philosophical thoughts shaping the course of Western philosophy. His famous assertion, cogito ergo sum, or I think therefore I am, is a fundamental element in Western philosophy. This simple yet profound statement encapsulates his belief in the primacy of reason and remains a cornerstone of philosophical thought. Descartes' legacy is not confined to his lifetime. His ideas continue to resonate with subsequent generations of thinkers, influencing a wide array of disciplines, from philosophy to mathematics and from cognitive science to artificial intelligence. His enduring impact is a testament to his relentless pursuit of truth. Descartes dared to question accepted wisdom, to dig deeper in his quest for understanding. His life serves as a reminder of the transformative power of inquiry and the potential of the human mind. In the world of mathematics and philosophy, René Descartes' legacy remains alive and influential, a testament to the power of one man's quest for truth and understanding. His story is a shining example of how one individual's pursuit of knowledge can shape the course of human thought and understanding.